Do you know how to say 6 question words? What, when, where, why, how in Korean? Then this video is for you. Keep watching this video and let's practice Korean question words together. Hi guys, this is Busan Namjung who teach fun and easy Korean. Also, I share a very easy and native ways of speaking Korean every day on my Instagram and TikTok. Follow my Instagram and TikTok and improve your Korean skills every day. This video is all about Korean question words. Let's study with me about Korean question words from now on. First one is 무엇. 무엇 is what in Korean. 뭐 is a certain form of 무엇. Both are same thing, but in spoken Korean we use 뭐 more often than 무엇. You can use these words like 이름이 뭐예요? It means what is your name? 뭐 means 무엇. This is spoken Korean, that's why I said 뭐 instead of 무엇. So 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? 점심에 뭐 먹었어요? Or 점심에 뭘 먹었어요? It means what did you have at lunch? In this sentence, I will share another constructive version of what? This, 뭘. This 말 is a constructive version of 무엇을. Which you are confused with 말, just remember 뭐, which is without 을 or 늘, object particle, because in spoken Korean we often omit 을 and 를, which is subject particle. It means what did you have lunch? When you omit 을 or 늘, you can say 점심에 뭐 먹었어요? And if you wanna add 을 or 늘, you can say 점심에 뭘 먹었어요 in spoken Korean. 냉장고에 뭐가 있어요? What is in the refrigerator? Who in Korean is 누구. Also, there is another word for who, 누가. 누가 means 누구 plus subject marker 가. 누구하고 있어요? 누구와 있어요? 누구랑 있어요? All of them have the same meaning. 하고 와 랑 means with. So it means who are you with? 누구를 만났어요? 누굴 만났어요? 누굴 is a shortened form of 누구를. It means who did you meet? 누구예요? Who are you? 누구에게 줘요? 누구한테 줘요? This 에게 and 한테 means to. Like I give it to you. That to definition. 누구에게 줘요? 누구한테 줘요? It means who did you give it to? 누구에게서 받았어요? 누구한테서 받았어요? It means who did you receive from? This 에게서 and 한테서 means from. You can omit 서 parts. So instead of 누구에게서, you can say 누구에게. 누구한테서 instead, you can say 누구한테. 누가 했어요? This means who did this. 누가 is certain form of 누구가, but actually we don't say 누구가. We always say 누가 instead of 누구가. We don't say this, we say this way. So remember, if you want to say 누구가, you have to say 누가 instead of 누구가. We don't say this. 언제 means when, and you can use 언제 like this. 언제 만나요? When do we meet? 크리스마스가 언제야? 크리스마스가 언제예요? Both means when is Christmas. 크리스마스 언제야 is a casual Korean, and 크리스마스가 언제요 is polite Korean. Both means when is Christmas. 어디 means where. 어디를 보고 있어요? It means where are you looking. 어디를. There is a certain form of 어디를. It is 어딜. Also this를. This is not object particle. This is more about direction rather than object particle. When you ask where are you going or where are you looking, Like ask a question which contains a direction, you can say 어디를 or 어딜 or just simply say 어디. 어디를 가고 있어요? 어딜 가고 있어요? 어디 가고 있어요? All the same. Where are you going? 어디에 있어요? It means where are you at? This 에 means at. So 어디에 있어요? Where are you at? 어디에서 왔어요? When you just started to learn Korean, you probably learned this phrase. 어디에서 왔어요? 에서 means from and it means where are you from? 어디에요? 어디야? All of them means where are you at? This is polite Korean and this is casual Korean. And both means where are you at? Where is why. You can use it itself or making a sentence like 왜, why, 왜 걸어, why are you walking, 왜 먹어, why are you eating. How in Korean is 어떻게. Also there is a phrase with how in Korean. It is how is it like. And you can say 어때 in casual way and 어때요 in polite way. Let's take a look at it. You can say 어때요 and 어때 itself. It means how is it like. 어때요 is polite Korean. 어때 is casual Korean. Also you can say it like this. 날씨 어때요? It means how is the weather like. 날씨 어때요? Also you can say how itself. And then in Korean 어떻게 and 어떻게요. 어떻게 is casual Korean. 어떻게요 is polite Korean. Also you can combine 어떻게 with the verb or adjective. Like this. 어떻게 지내요? How are you doing? 어떻게 운전해요? How do you drive? 어떻게 해? 어떻게 해요? How do you do it? 어떻게 해요? This is polite Korean. 어떻게 해? This is casual Korean. Alright, I hope you learned a lot from this video. Those 6 Korean question words are very important. You will come across them most of the time while you talk with anyone in Korean. So please make sure that you understand that, memorize those 6 Korean question words, and if you have a difficult moment to wrap those question words around your head, please watch this video again. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question about this video or any suggestion for my next video, please leave a comment. So it is time to say bye. 안녕히 계세요. See you in the next video. Bye guys.